Hi guys, before we proceed with the video, there's one thing I want to do a shout out to you guys. For those of you who are interested with buying either the Triton or the Outlander or the ASX, there are some great deals going on now. As for the Triton, if you pick the premium variants, you will get 6,000 cash rebate or 0.88% interest rates. If you are a Mitsubishi owner, you get an additional 3,000 ringgit cash rebate. If you are a pickup truck owner, you get an additional 2,000 ringgit cash rebate. Now, don't look at that 0.88% as something insignificant. Let's say if you opt for the normal 4x4 automatic variant, which is about 105,000, and your monthly installment is actually slightly higher than if you pick the premium variant at 0.88%. As for the Outlander, you get 2,000 ringgit of cash rebate, you get 2 years of free maintenance, and then you get 5 years of unlimited mileage warranty. As for the ASX, you get an over trade of 8,888 ringgit when you trade in your car. On top of that, you get 5 years of free maintenance and then 5 years of unlimited mileage warranty. Yep.
This is crazy.
So guys, I'm in an Audi RS6 Plus. Only 500 units in the world. This is the unit number 165. And this interior is from Audi Exclusive. Something you don't get in others. And the condition of this car is just superb. The rear seats looks like they've never been sat on before. And this is Jason, my friend.
Hello.
And he works in Singapore. He's looking for a car to pick up more AES tickets. Because he feels he needs to contribute. He feels that he needs to contribute his Singaporean dollar to the Malaysian government coffer. So he's looking at this beautiful RS6 Plus. So, for those of you who don't know, this engine is a 5-litre V10 twin turbo. So, originally from factory, they put a restrictor on the power output, so it's somewhat at 580 horsepower only. So once you put stage 1 and removes the restrictor, it will go up to 700 horsepower immediately. Yup. Mad car. You're like, wow. Jason will be like, I can contribute so much to the Malaysian government on tickets. And it's still quiet.
Yeah, very.
Yeah, it's a wonderful car. Wonderful car.
Such a nice cruiser.
Yes. Yeah. So, dynamic sport comfort.
It's not loose, you know.
Unlike the Ferrari we tested yesterday.
Oh, the one was terrible. The 505.
Yeah. That one is, you know, for me is a bit. Oh my. The sound.
Oh, did you see that?
Yes.
Audi brand.
Oh. Check this out. For kids out there, this is how mobile phones used to look like. Okay. Yeah. For what you all call phones now, we old people call them PDAs last time, right? Yeah.
Biggest brand was Compact, I remember.
Compact, Toshiba, Palm, right?
Yeah.
Palm Tungsten,
Yeah.
Palm Trio, right? All
That
that.
was crazy, man. Can we use on this phone?
I'm not sure.
It'd
Man.
be cool to take out, man, for a drink, put it
Fucking
down,
cool,
Audi phone, man.
Bro, you remember? Do you? Okay, this is for youngsters out there.
Yeah.
Do you remember last time we can legally drive while talking on the phone?
Yep.
None of us have any issues, right,
Yep.
with our driving.
Yeah.
But when they made it illegal, we lost attention. Our eyes have to look left and right for
Yeah.
police, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Last time, all of us just drive while on the phone.
So it's
We're
because
fine.
we are looking for police now.
Yes, that's what affected. And of course, the aforementioned aunties those aunties who are just oblivious. Oh my God, the sound.
Look at that, man. Did you hear the fire?
Ooh, not bad.
Yeah.
Hey, it's not your SUV, yeah?
And this is
You went over speed one like an SUV.
And this is a dynamic mode, sport suspension.
Wow, brother, this
Not
one
even
top, this
on
one very
comfort.
high. Hey, okay.
Ah, okay. Not even on comfort.
Guys, if you drive a car with really expensive suspension, do not go over speed bumps like how Jason does. Don't. Lovely condition. Huh?
Yeah.
Oh my God, the rear seats. These panels, right? These are the material that I know they will turn sticky under the sun. So all you need to do is just to respray it. It's a spray layer.
Oh, coating.
Yeah.
It's like a coating, is it?
Yeah, it's just a coating of spray so that it makes the
Oh, I think my car is in the way.
never mind. It makes the surface feels rubbery. But it will be sticky over time lah. But all you need to do is just to go to those shops and they'll spray a layer that matches the color, that's it.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
You know where to go, lah.
A lot of BMWs have this problem, so almost the solution is out there. Very, very easy to solve. Because during that period of time, 2010, 11, 12, a lot of BMWs use this material.
Thanks for recommendation, man, Bobby.
Because I. You know what? This RS6 has more character than my RS6. I don't know how to put it, but it just feels more raw, more authentic, less pretension. And this steering wheel. Thank you. And this steering wheel feels nicer to grip. This one is very familiar. This is like the B7 RS4 steering wheel. Flat bottom, not too thick, and there are metal accents here. Perforated. Of course it doesn't handle as well as my RS6, but somehow there's... I don't know, man. Very, very nice. This car is just really, really nice. Oh, the engine response. You okay, bro? Hello.
Hello.
Okay. The condition of this car is just so damn good, man, for a 10-year-old car. Lovely. Who has the key? Oh, unlock 下得嘛 Yeah. Alright.
Not suitable for you lah. This one, right? You pay full lah.
Yes.
Huh? 1,000 plus.
Ladies and gentlemen, darling.